in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. What? Significant icing is expected. Ice accumulations of 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch are expected, with locally higher amounts possible. In addition, up to an inch of sleet and snow will be possible. Where? Much of central Kentucky. When? From 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time today to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Scattered power outages and tree damage will be possible due to the ice. Travel will be extremely hazardous and could be impossible at times. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages. For Kentucky road conditions, please visit http://golte.kentucky.gov.